In this episode, guys, we come across some issues with the wiring. Keep watching, find out what happened and how I fixed it. Alright, last episode, guys, if you missed out, I tried to do a reverse mount, didn't work out, so we went back to stock location facing backwards, and we relocated the flex fuel sensor from down here to here, and relocated the fuel pressure regulator from here, obviously, over to there. Let me know if you think I should make these lines a bit longer so they can go down and that way. I've got a little bit left, so we should be able to do it. They are equal length as well, guys. So let's pop this up and I'll show you where they go. So we've got fuel coming in, T-piece, exactly the same length, because we are parallel here. Up, comes around and up, and then down, up this way, through the flex fuel and back to the return. Alright guys, off camera I'm going to try to make an adapter, maybe 2-inch adapter, so we can rotate the manifold to go forwards eventually, but that'll be for a different episode in the future. Gonna make up a bracket for the flex fuel, and we'll probably get some conduit onto the wiring here, clean that up a bit. I'm gonna wrap up all of this wiring. Alright guys, we're going to start with the easiest thing first, and we're going to clean up the wiring. So I've unplugged this connector down here. I need to cut off these 2 cable ties. We'll feed it back through, and we'll tape it all up and put it back in, make it look a lot better. And then we'll clean up this one here, make that look better, keep it away from the heat source. And then we will probably get the manifold back on, bolted down properly, and we'll sort out a bracket for that Haltech flex fuel sensor. From here, and work on that piece, and then that'll be the other side, that short piece. Alright, so pretty sure we've got everything in there, hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm going to go along and cut all these cable ties, not off, but trim them down, and then I'll tape them all up. Bit of a stretch. Oh, you shouldn't be using that fleece tape. Oh, I don't mind it. I don't want to work with it, so I'm working with it. Yeah, it's pretty hard to undo, and it gets sticky. But I don't mind the look of it. Always put conduit over the top. Oh, you can really see the cable ties. I might get these cable ties off. I'll leave that one on. First one. There we go. The main thing was keep it all together, and to show where to branch off. So, as long as I'm doing this while I'm going along, we should be fine. Woo. So if you're in Australia and you're trying to find this, I Google searched it. It's sweet, it's super cheap, it's near home. Go in there. I forgot to click on it to go into the Super Cheap Auto website. It's a special order. So went back onto Google, clicked on Autobarn in stock, just down the road. They have boxes of this. Something like $5 for 15 meters. If you like the look of it, go get some. That's another little branch off. So, brakes. One more. On the back side of it. I just pulled some wires out. Well, that one's done, but I need to re-pin this. What? So 3 wires coming out. How? All of them. Alright, she's looking a lot neater along the backside there. We need to work out what happened here. Might have to trim them, turn them over. Might have to buy another connector so I can get the pins. I'm pretty sure I crushed the pins in there, which, you know, crimped them, which you should. I'm just gonna do this one, and then we'll bolt the manifold on so nothing falls down in there. Alright, so I've re-pinned all these wires. Got another connector because I can't get that green bit out, it's broken. But put that on, connect it back up, we should be good. There we go, got the connector on, all pinned up. Hopefully it's all good. Alright, let's route this where it's supposed to be. We'll plug it in. Got the brake plugged in. Goes down there. Brake, brown connector, and the tower, plug that in. Boost controller. And then okay, all connected, looking a lot better. Next episode, guys, we're going to be fixing the manifold, so stay around for that. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload next.